Hey Velasco, figured I'd make a movie here just to show you what you have to do for rafter math. So the first thing you have to do is you need to find your bridge measure. So often they're going to give you the pitch of whatever you're working with. So difference between pitch and slope. So pitch is based off of 24, so that's based off of something like this. So let's say they give you a 3 and 8 pitch. So a 3 and 8 pitch, you have to convert that into 9 over 24. So this is always going to be 24 down here for pitch. So 9, 24, and then your slope is just this little guy over here. So it's going to basically be 12. So your slope, what you're doing is you're finding 12 over 9. So that's what you have to do first, and then from there you use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that gives you your bridge measure. So your bridge measure, what you're actually doing with it is, let's say you have a little roof that you're making, and this area right here is going to be your span. And your span, you only need half of it. So what you're going to do is take your span distance that they give you, divided by 2. So let's say you get a span of 8. So the actual math that you need to figure out is going to be half of that. So then what you're going to do is you take your bridge measure and then divide this by, from your bird's mouth, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you're doing here is you're basically going over, down, over, down, over, down, over, down, and then 15, 15, 15, 15. And so what you get is your bridge measure, or 15 inches, times 4 of those gives you, let me do the math. Not sure what the math is. Let's see. So that gives you 60. Yeah. So that's going to be 60 inches. And then what you also have to figure out is how much of your overhang you have. So usually they'll just give you an overhang of like 18 inches. So what you'll have to do is now times this by 15, and then this continues on down, so it's half of that. So what you have to do first is convert this to feet in a decimal spot. So you have 1.5 times 15. So that gives you 22.5. So you take 22.5, then add, which you're taking this distance right here, and then adding it to this distance over here. So that gives you the overall length of what you'll need your piece to be, is 82.5 with your bird's mouth starting at 22.5 inches from there. And your overall is going to be. So let's see. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, shoot me on Facebook, and I'll let you know. All right.